Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel, Fishing Around Colorado Springs. This video is part of my How to Cook Over a Campfire series. Over the past couple days, I have been camping at 11 Mile Canyon and I am right now at the Spillway Campground. It is absolutely beautiful here. I did some fishing earlier today at the South Platte River that winds through the canyon. I didn't have any luck, but fortunately I brought some chicken to make this awesome recipe. So I am going to have barbecue chicken with corn on the cob and baked beans. And my campfire is going. It's been going for about an hour now, so the coals are just about right. So let's get started prepping the chicken. I have some olive oil right here. If I can get the lid off. There we go. This is brand new olive oil. There we go. And I'm going to just coat my chicken down with some olive oil on this plate. Just like that. Now, you can use any kind of barbecue seasoning and barbecue sauce that you want. I am using Stanley's famous Pit Barbecue Spike seasoning. This barbecue sauce is out of Tyler, Texas. My father-in-law likes to give this to me, and I have a ton of it. So I'm gonna coat the chicken down with the seasoning first. I'm gonna get it on the campfire. But before that, I'm going to just get my corn going. Now, here's the thing. You don't want to put barbecue sauce on your chicken immediately. You want to get the chicken cooking for a while first before you put the barbecue sauce on, or you're going to burn it. And I got to tell you, I'm cheating just a little bit with this corn on the cob. It's already pre-cooked. I had cooked this the other day while I was at home and it was a leftover. So I'm just going to rub it down with a little bit of butter. And I'm gonna throw it on the grill after a while, but I need to get the chicken cooking first. So let's get the chicken on the campfire. Okay, this wood is looking really good. I'm gonna push it forward. There's just a little bit of flame left, but that's gonna be okay. I'll probably have to put another log on it, but let's get our chicken on. I'm gonna get it off to the side right here. I'm gonna let my chicken cook for probably just about 5 minutes aside, and then I'm gonna turn it. And once I think that it's cooked properly, that's when I'm gonna get the baked beans on and my corn, and also put some barbecue sauce on this. It's already sizzling. I can't wait to eat this. This chicken has been on for about 5 or so minutes. I already gave it a little bit of a turn, and it's looking really good. Today was a really fun day for me. I had a guest show up at the campground. His name is Matt Baker, and his YouTube channel is Leave It to Baker. And what he does is he interviews other YouTubers doing a behind the scenes of what YouTubers do on their channel. And it's pretty cool. So that's what his YouTube channel is, Leave It to Baker. I will put a link to his channel in the description of this video. You should check it out. It's a pretty great channel. This chicken has probably about another 10 or 15 minutes to cook, but I think it's a good time to put my corn on to get it heated through, because it has been in the fridge for a couple days, so it's really cold. So getting it on the campfire now should heat it through perfectly. The chicken is taking a little longer than anticipated. It's been on for about an hour now, and I really think it's just about done. So it's time for me to get my beans on. And I did have to take my corn off, so I didn't cook the heck out of it. But it's also now time to put a little of the barbecue sauce on here. There we go. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. The sun is going down, so I am losing my light. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna let this go for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna get my corn back on and get that heated through. These beans will only take a minute to cook. Okay, I think dinner is done. I put the corn back on to get it warmed up again, and let's get it over the picnic table and have some dinner. I am starving. This is the longest meal I think I've ever cooked on a campfire, but it looks absolutely amazing. The chicken is cooked absolutely perfect. Let's try this corn. This corn is really good. The baked beans are always good. Wow. I don't know if these dishes always come out really, really good, or if it's just like by the time I get to it, I'm absolutely famished. But seriously though, this chicken is just amazing. You really got to try this next time you go camping. But remember, it does take the chicken like a good hour to cook. So keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications, and you have yourself an amazing experience cooking over the campfire.